Welcome to English Language Club. This is Jagannath Raju, your English faculty. Today we are going to discuss how to write a letter to your friend to take precautions on COVID-19. So before we write the letter, we discuss actually two types of letters in English, right? In English grammar. One is formal letter, another one is informal letter. Letter to friend is a informal letter. Actually there is no fixed format for informal letters, as informal letters are more personal and casual than formal letters So informal letters are written to close friends and family members only. So actually the informal letters begins with your address and followed the and then write the date. The date is very important. We don't write the number in the place of month. Write the date, month, year. This is the correct format. And then introduction, then greet followed by the informal greeting, dear or my dear in the informal letters. Then introduction of the letter and body of the letter and conclusion. This is the format of the informal letter. And in the end, you will sign off with your friendly and warm praise, yours lovingly. This is the format of the informal letter. Now we write the letter to your friend to take precautions on COVID-19 during this pandemic situation. So what is the first write? Actually, in the first para, we greet our friend. How are you? How are you? Question mark. And I hope this letter, I hope this letter finds you. I hope this letter finds you in the pink of your health. This is the introduction of the letter. Actually, this para is common to the informal letters. In which situation? That is very important. Whenever your friend and friend's family are in good health, in the normal condition, this para is common in the informal letter. In some cases, this para is not written in the formal letters. In which cases? For example, your friend lost his mother, or your friend lost his father due to COVID-19, due to corona. At that situation, this para is not written in the informal letter. Okay, in a normal conditions, in general conditions, we write this para as usual. Okay, next, the second para must be based on the question or question. Okay, I know, everyone knows that. I know, what was it? Everyone knows that our friends, family members, everyone must stay in the home, must stay home. No one go to outside because the government put the lockdown. That's why the government also suggested no one come out unnecessarily. So I know you must stay home and follow the government declarations during the pandemic situation. So what would you like to? Actually, I want to suggest, I wanted to remind my friend. Actually, I wanted to remind my friend. I want to remind you. What was the reminding? What kind of suggestions to give to your friend during the pandemic situations? So generally we said that take wearing mask and using sanitizer and wash the hands frequently. These are the right. So I want to remind you to take all necessary precautions for COVID-19. So what are the precautions? Sorry, you should, whenever suggestions give, we use should. You should wear a mask. While you are going outside. This is the first precautions. And second one, and take sanitizer. And take sanitizer. And apply to your hands whenever touching things outside. If the soap is available, wash the hands often. This is the second precaution. And third precaution, you should maintain social distance. This is very important. Whenever we maintain the social distance, minimum 6 feet, the coronavirus could not touch, the coronavirus could not travel behind the 3 feet or 4 feet. That's why you should maintain the 6 feet. It is very important. So this is the precautions. And next one, we should develop or increase our immune system. How to we increase our immune system? There are two ways. One is we should or we take nutritious food. That is the first one. We should take the nutritious food is the first one. And second one, we do exercises and yoga every day. These two precautions increase our immune system to our health. Whenever we have a good immune system, we fight against the COVID-19. I have one experience. One thing is that no animal except human beings, no animal can be affected by the COVID-19 because in every living organism in the earth, they obey the nature. That's why they are not affected by the viruses. But human beings are affected by the viruses because we should not obey the nature's rule. We should not obey the nature. That's why we are affected by the viruses or bacteria or many kinds of diseases. Okay. So first and second, next precautions to our health, which is we should take. You should. Sorry. You should take nutritious food. And do yoga and exercises every day. These are the suggestions. Okay. So first one is actually the letter starts with the address and a date and greeting. Next introduction para and body of the letter. This is very important. And next one, conclusion. Conclusion means actually the lockdown the lockdown is completed 2 months. Actually the lockdown put in the May and this is June. The lockdown will be end in end of the month. So it has been a long time. It has been a long time. It has been a long time. We are following the lockdown. We are following the lockdown rules. So I hope everything, the lockdown we come out of this. We come out of this situation. Out of the situation very soon. Very soon. Right. This is the conclusion. And at the end of the conclusion, we have to write is written with warm records. With warm records. The letter is completed. So last one. Yours lovingly, comma, then we write your signature. Your signature. The letter is completed. The letter is complete. Okay, thank you one and all. This is the letter to write your friend on the COVID situation.